injured, second injured. 3 people. Rest all of you are fit and fine. All those who are sick and injured, please fall out. Ikra, take charge of the class.
Morning, sir. Sir, my name is Mehwish Khan. I'm a student teacher for today. I intend to conduct the class, which will focus majorly on the major components of physical fitness by incorporating various exercises for the students of class 10 to 11. So, sir, I please ask permission so that you allow me to conduct this class. Sir, there are total 30 students, out of which 4 are females, remaining are boys, and there are 3 students who are sick and injured.
All those who are sick and injured need to submit the medical certificate. The attendance will not be granted. Thank you. Yes, class. From my right, count in numbers up. 1, 2, 3,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Now, firstly, we'll start with warm up. Hold each other's hand and make a circle. Make a circle fast. Circle and maintain 1 arm distance from each side of your participant. Okay. Let's start. Start with the spot jog, everyone. Yes. Followed by this. Inward, outward. On the other side as well. Okay, high knee. Yes, alternative toe touches. Come on, everyone. Followed by straight toe touches. Just go on your toes. Stretch your body and then come back and try to touch your toes. Okay? Do it repeatedly. Do it 2 more times. Yes, circumduction. Clockwise. Everyone do it. Anti-clockwise. Okay. Now take your hands like this and take it to your side first. And whenever you take it to your side first, go on your toes. Everyone. Do it. Yes, alternatively, each side. Pick a circle and start with spot jog, everyone. Start. You will have to follow and do it, okay? So you will start from this point and then you will go through these hurdles. Girls will go from this line, boys will go from this line, okay? And then you have to pick one kettlebell, take it from here, do it like this and jump. Keep it over here and then come back to this point. And when you come back to this point, you will do extra running and again go through the hurdles, come back to this point and again come back to the reset position. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, start. Boys from this side, girls from this side. Come on. Girls from this side, boys from that side. Come on, everyone. Okay, start. Very good, everyone. Come on. Pick the kettlebell. Yes, just once, okay? Go through these hurdles. So you all have to make sure you sit in a squat position and then jump and then keep the kettlebell over there. Very good. Yes, everyone. Ikra, repeat it again. Very good. Everyone, maintain the pace. It should be high intensity workout. Very good. When you will run, this will focus on your agility and endurance. And when you will put up the kettlebell over there, this will involve your muscular endurance and strength. Very good. Yes, class, keep moving. Very good. Boys, girls have already done. Pace up, pace up. Very good. Very good, very good. Come on, repeat it again. This line and this line. No need to go over there. Come on, once again. Very good. Very nice, very nice. Pick up the kettlebell. Very good, very good. Run. Very nice, very nice. After that, form a single line over here, everyone. Join the line now in a single line, everyone. Now, shorter on the left, taller on the right, and a single line falling. Now I from my left, counting two numbers up. One,
up.
order number one, stay where you are. Order number two, 2 steps, open order, forward, march. Order number two, 2 steps, open order, forward, march. Yes, class. Half right turn. Ananta. Stand at ease. Yes, firstly, now we'll do the exercise with the help of dumbbells. Firstly, I'll show you as a whole and then in part method, and then you all will follow it up by doing it in part and then as a whole. So exercise number 1 with dumbbells. First, in part method, command for me, demonstration for you. So firstly, you will stand in the initial position, in attention position, and then you will move forward with your right leg and take your dumbbells forward and make sure there's a click sound in front of you, okay? And then you'll turn to your right, 2, 3, and then again you'll return back to the initial position. Again, you will do it from your left side, 1, click sound, 2, 3, and then fold. So all this will be done in 8 counts. I'll repeat it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I clear to everyone? Now, command for you, demonstration for me. You will do this exercise in part method. Start. 1, 2. Yes, there should be click sound. I should hear the click sound. 3, 4. I'll repeat it again. 1. Take it to front. Do it, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. We'll do this exercise again with the drum beat. Till we get the drum. Yes, you go ahead. We are these students of physical education. We all know that what are the components of physical fitness. So today's exercise that we did, starting from these hurdle jumps, running from cone to cone, and these dumbbell exercise, we need to understand that what kind of activity targeted which part of a physical fitness. So we started from here. When we were doing running, so we were targeting our cardiovascular endurance. So you all might have seen your heart rate might be going up. So that was your cardiovascular endurance. After that, you were changing position from hurdle to hurdle. So that was the target of your agility. You were able to do that quickly. That is because of your neuromuscular coordination. That neuromuscular coordination of yours help you to change that position in a fast manner. Third component of physical fitness was your muscular endurance and muscular strength. So when you picked up this kettlebell over here and you were doing this movement, this was targeting your upper body as well as lower body. So when you were going down, your quadricep and lower body muscles were involved. When you were taking the kettlebell upward, your upper body muscles, which includes your deltoids and your back, was involved. So we need to understand that when we are incorporating such kind of physical fitness regime and these exercises, what kind of components of physical fitness are covered. So I'll write all those components over here on the board and you will all see. Then I'll ask you all questions that which exercise covered which part of physical fitness. Am I clear to everyone? It is not audible to me. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all can read out the major components of it. Yes, please don't talk. You all can read out the major components of physical fitness on this board. Strength, endurance, flexibility, body composition, speed, agility. Now Anamta, you will tell me when you were running, so what kind of physical fitness was being targeted over here? Endurance. Yes, when you were running. No, when you were running through these points. Endurance, very good. And then when you were doing kettlebell, that you were going down in the squat position and then you were taking it upward. Yes, Diksha, when you were doing this kettlebell and taking it upward, so what kind of physical fitness target was being targeted over here? Yes, exactly, muscular strength. Yes, please join the class, Piyush and Shweb. Shweb, please take charge of this. So am I clear to everyone? While doing the physical activity, we should also need to know that what component of physical fitness is being targeted so that you can better understand the physical activity and channelize your efforts accordingly. Now to continue with the rhythm of the class, we will do the same exercise of dumbbells on drum beats. Am I clear to everyone? So you all remember the exercise that we did with dumbbells? Yes. It's not audible. Loudly everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll do that exercise again with the help of dumbbells. Okay? On drum down. Yes. Class, stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Yes. We'll start and do on drum beats. Okay? Start. Start. 1.
मैम परवेश को बता दो उसके लिए
Stand at ease. Attention. Anamta and Disha, fall out and collect dumbbells from everyone. So we already did the exercise with the help of dumbbells. Now we'll do the same exercise with the help of hula hoop. So it will add kind of variety in this workout and will also create a rhythm in the exercise and you all will enjoy it. Come on. Firstly, now I'll show the entire exercise firstly as a whole and then as a part and then again you will do as a whole and a part. Although it's already done, it is clear to you all, but again I'll show you. Okay? So first you'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Am I clear and audible to everyone? If I can't hear yes, I'll not start the exercise and you will do it again. So it should be a clear yes from everyone. Am I audible to everyone? Yes. Very good. Come on, start. 1. Now, command for you, demonstration for me, exercise. First you will do as a part and then as a whole. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now you'll do it as a whole. Start. Command for you. Demonstration for me. Start exercise as a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More louder. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do this again. Okay? Start. 1, 2. Maintain the coordination. Everyone should work together to the left side. Okay? Start again. From the initial position. 1, 2. Very good. 3. There should be coordination. 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Enjoyable and clear to everyone over here. Is there any doubt to everyone? So can I ask any question to all of you regarding the exercise that we did? Yes. It will be very simple question. So we did the exercise right starting from the cones, hurdles, dummies, followed by dumbbells and hula hoops. So I also told you that all these exercises, what all components of physical fitness you all targeted, including from strength, endurance, flexibility, speed, agility. So what was the part of exercise in which we targeted the flexibility part of component as a component of physical fitness? Yes, Ikra. What was the part of which part of physical activity we targeted flexibility as a component of physical fitness? Flexibility. So when we were doing stretches, yes. Yes, you are right to some extent. So when we were doing the starting with the warm-up and the light stretches. So when we were doing the alternative toe touches and we were also doing some light stretches. So that was the part when we were trying to increase our range of motion. So that was the area we targeted our flexibility. Similarly, when you were using kettlebell, you were targeting your strength and muscular endurance. Similarly, when you were walking through the cones, you were targeting your endurance and agility. Very good. So that's it. Class, attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Class. Order number 2. Half right turn. Order number 2. About turn. Order number 2. Left turn. Order number 2. About turn. I repeated the commands again and again so that you can be little active and listen to it. So you should do it cheerfully with a smile on your face and be very active while you are doing it. I could have said directly about turn, but I rotated you all so that you can understand that you should be active in class. Yes, order number 1, right turn. Order number 1, about turn. Order number 1, left turn. Order number 1, about turn. Yes, do it actively with a smile on your face. Order number 1, 2 step, close order, forward march. Press up everyone, according to my information. Yes. Diksha, fall out, select the hula from everyone. actively. Stand at ease. Attention. So the class is conducted. Is there anyone who has any doubt regarding any activity or any concern regarding it? Am I clear to everyone? Say it loudly. Deeksha, fall out and take charge of the class.
So I have conducted the class and there are no doubts of the students. They all have understood the lesson very nicely while also understanding all the exercises. Along with that, they have also understood what was the intent and objective of the exercise while targeting the different components of physical fitness. So I asked you for the permission so that I can dismiss the class.